Hey everybody, what's going on? Doing a little quick session on London. I'm going to be trading the New York session at 9:30, but I couldn't sleep, so I figured, you know what? Why not? Let me get some London action in. Just give me a sec, I'm just setting up. I'll be right back. I'm trading Nasdaq. Looks like it's getting a little volatile right now. But anyway, guys, I'm going to trade the Nasdaq, probably the micro and Q March contracts. This is Ninja. This is a 1 minute and this is a 5 minute. I will be right back. Just hang tight, guys. I'll be right back. Be like a few minutes. I'm just making some coffee. Alrighty. Alright, what's up? I'm back. I'm not probably going to be talking that much. I'm just going to be doing some trades and moving some charts around. Just want to make sure the sound's good. Anybody does, pop in. Let me know. Alright. Just getting set up still. Nasdaq took a nice pump up. upwards. Let's see what's it gonna do now. Oh yeah, really boosted up there for a minute. See what we're looking at here. With the dollar, I'm gonna move this chart over here. Actually, I may just take a little test short. I don't know if the sound's good or not, but I'm guessing it is, and I'm not even talking that much anyway, so. I could stop down in this one. This is just sim anyway. I'll move it to above this pivot here. It'll keep trailing down anyway. Gotta get my bearings right. I'm gonna shut my alerts off. I have too many alerts going off. Let me stop all alerts. There we go. Let me just pause some of these. I want to get so many pop-ups on my trading view. Alright, so it's a 7-point micro. It's a dollar amount in that. $10. I'm gonna hit it. Let's move it up. Let's see what we got here. Definitely in an uptrend on a low time frame. Let's see. Actually, no, it broke out. Looks like I may catch some sells here. The size up. I could bring it down there a little bit. Look for it to at least come down, tap this gold line. Just go and bring one of my other charts over. Check this out. The side-by-side chart. This is a 1 minute 15, and oh, this should be a 30-minute. These are fair value gaps. These yellow areas right here. The trade's in profit now, actually. Yeah, I can minimize this. Yeah. We got how many points is that? About 2 points. Now the trail didn't kick in. Why not? A little more profit, or just because I moved it? Huh. It needs a little more profit. My ATM's not. Oh, there we go. Okay. Nice. Probably gonna hit that. I don't mind. I can move it. Oh, look at that. 7 points. Now it's back up to 5. What are we making there? Where is that? With 5 micro, there you go. Micro Nasdaq contracts, MNQs. Just made a quick. I have, this is my sim account here. I just did that. I didn't trade on my real accounts yet. Just get warmed up where I may just trade a New York session. Trying to get into a little flow here. I'm not used to trading the London session, to be totally honest. It's the circadian rhythm thing, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I don't think anyone even knows I'm on stream. right now, actually. But anyway, let's see. What kind of accent that is. See what I can do here. What do I got? What am I working with? Need. I want to test out 31, 29, 20. Let's see, where is that? It's resistance right there. It's hitting the red line right here on the left side, the left chart. I don't know if it wants to break it yet. It wants to come up a little bit. Don't quite know yet. Let me chop around a little bit. Let's do 42. So as you can see, if anyone is listening, this is a lower time frame scalp. Now I'm using a 1 minute here, 5 minute here. These are some EMAs, and SMAs, and pivots. I got a MACD down here just for shits and giggles. I also use a very low time frame for entries, 15 second. What I do with this chart, I simply just utilize this and draw out some quick levels. Because I have 3 screens, obviously. I'm not just trading with 1 screen or I wouldn't be doing this. And what I do to help myself out is I just draw lines of very local support and resistance, you could say. Like it's such a short time frame that it doesn't really count support resistance, but on a very micro time frame it does. And it seems to work, you know. And I gotta change this song, dude. I'm sorry, man. Yeah, get the hell out of here with this. Just put some rain on. Let's see. You know what? Non-copyright. Right. Rain. Need some rain sounds right now. What we got here? We have no, I don't want. The hell is this twinkle toe music, man? Come on. Rain, just rain, not no twinkle toes. Let's go. That's fucking loud. Whoa, that's music again. Alright, let's just go with this. Right, it's just rain. Hello. Alright, can you please just be rain? Begging you. Alright, I think I'm on to something here with the sounds. I just took an actual trade on my real account. Let's see. I didn't even took the right ATM strategy. I'm kind of pissed about that. Well, it's only a MNQ, so a local, very hyper local support. Oh, I lost $5. Well, what are you gonna do, right? Let's see. See how this is looking here. It's not really moving much. It's kind of like just stagnant. Stagnant price action. It's kind of, I feel stagnant. It's going with my mood. A little choppy now. Let's see if it's gonna break down. Looking at the dollar chart as well. Like I need, sounds crazy, but I feel like I need 4 screens. But I want to show you guys, looking at this. This is the Nasdaq and the DXY. The dollar's coming down a little bit. Nasdaq's going up. What's going on in low time frames? Minute, 3 minute, 4 minute. Let's see. I think I wicked twice down into that. Some news might have came out here. This little purple thing on TradingView. What we got there? It's got a little sideways action right now. Not a little. It is sideways. There is no little of that. Oh, I forgot I had 2 charts over there. Look at that. Looking for that chart. Like, where'd that damn chart go? Okay. So this has an ATR right here at the bottom, if I can find it. Looks like it has like a 5-point ATR. It's in a low time frame. Using Market Liberator. Just looking at the money flow and the oscillator waves. And look at the larger time frame just to see the trend. And it looks like this is a level right here. You know, pretty much right here. So 12,230. You know, maybe I could say, just based on recent price action, really a level here, but that's 50 points. But for now, looks like to be a sturdy level. This is a fair value gap, filled that. That's the hourly. Let's go down to the 15. Let's look at the 5 minute. Looks like it's wanting to turn back down a little. Just I don't see full confirmation yet. I am just looking for an entry, guys. It is going totally sideways at this point. Hourly's going to close in about 11 minutes. And maybe it's just coming down. What I know, wow, the dollar and Nasdaq are going up. This market's weird. This is why I don't trade London. Shit. I don't know if it's going to break this. It's level right here. Nope. Not. Yeah, I just got chopped out a little bit. Let's see. Really need to get my charts comfortable. My setup more comfortable. Seeing that. And it's going down, but not really. So, see what we got here. I don't know where. I don't know where there it is. Kind of looks like that move came down, what, 10 points already? Almost, yeah. 12,217 down to 12,207. I'm just looking for points of entry, guys and gals. Point of entry at this point. Is that a pretty big storm? I may change this to back to some lo-fi. Let's see. Do something with these charts too. I'm not completely comfortable with the way this is set up right now. Where is my... The heck? Where is my view up? Not my view up. Market profile. Just had it. No, it's not there now. Hey, where'd I put it? I'm gonna move these charts off here to yonder. Stay focused on those charts. Go back to some lo-fi. I missed that entry. I mean, right here was a clear pivot up top, and confluence with some of my other. I'll just show you right here. I had the vector candle right here. See this green vector candle shooting up on a 1 minute? Usually that gets recovered. Look, it got recovered to the tick. To the fucking tick. Look at that. Now what though? Go to a 5 minute. See what happens there. Alright, so that's some more recovery. But the hour is closing. So usually if it's going up like that on the hourly, it just comes down, recovers a little bit, then it'll pop back up if the trend continues. So when that closes and the hourly happen, I tend to be a little more careful. Especially if you're going to short against a larger candle, because that's a trend. You know, it's still common sense stuff, but just going over basics. This is more of a chill stream, guys. And I'm not really proficient with YouTube just yet. So getting there. Give me a few months. I want to put out really quality content. I do have a good amount of trading experience. Using a lot of various stuff that probably a lot of you guys that are going to be watching me have used and tested out. I use a little bit of indicators. I don't rely solely on them, but good to have as reference points, you know. Confluence. Someone I know used to say confluence equals confidence, and he's right. You know, come across a lot of cool people and you know, good people. Just some have demons, but not gonna go there. But learned a lot from someone, and he's not around anymore. Not like physically, I think he's alive, but he just dipped out, kind of made a bad move. But there's a lot of other good people out there, and I'm trying to bring them together. And you know, I'm taking the effort here. Learning YouTube and all this stuff, all this tech. Had to YouTube and trade at the same time. It's a little difficult to focus on both at the same time, honestly. But I'm trying to do both to build a community and to not be so damn bored trading sometimes, you know? Bring a little life to it and then give back. Give back as far as, you know, people have a lot of basic questions. That's why I have a Discord server. Definitely join that server if you want to partake in any conversations, any sharing of charts, and so on and so forth. All right, we got the hourly close coming up. Let's see what we're going to do here. 23 seconds. 15 minutes looks like. Yep, so I'm still waiting for an entry, and usually I'm doing a lot more entries than this. This is like slow for me. Maybe because I'm tired. I got a rule: don't trade when you're tired. And what am I doing right now? I'm tired. What am I doing? I'm live streaming and I'm trying to trade. Note to self: rules broken. All right, so the hourly seems have a big fat nothing burger. I know it's gonna pop up. Let's see. Let's just throw a note up there. Give you guys something to watch. See if it cracks that. Oh, yep. Did do what I thought it was gonna do. So it tapped back and then it continued with the trend, but the NQ moves really fast. try this again. Throw some weight behind it. Move the stop loss down a little bit. Give it some room to breathe. See if it'll run. Or if that was just a wick. Grab some liquidity and go back down. Which one was it? Let's see. See, now I gotta lower this damn YouTube video instead of focusing on my open trade right now. That's not an excuse, that's reality. Oh, it's going up anyway, so. Alright, not bad, not bad. Let's go. I'm gonna hide this chat, save me some computing power. I'm talking to myself because I do that. I don't know if any of y'all can relate. Move this up and just let this run. There you go. Nice. What we got? How many points is that? That is 4 points. Not bad with 4 contracts. Alright. I'm doing a lot better on sim than I am. Well, I don't say a lot better. I had 1 losing trade on my real account. I think 2 wins on my sim. Maybe this is gonna be a 3rd. Well, this is definitely gonna be a 3rd because it's locked in. 6 points, 4 contracts, and that's $47. So if you guys that don't know what a micro Nasdaq contract is, it's a 1/10 the size of a mini. A mini is a larger one. If you guys have any questions, pop them up in the chat, join Discord. I'm gonna focus more on doing some analysis right now. I want to grab a trade. So this bounced off the gold line. This strategy is from another YouTuber, Bob Anderson, and so far I gotta follow it a little bit better. But it bounced off the gold line, and okay, so this strategy says simply this red choppy line here, rope line. If it's above this price action, take longs. Okay, and that goes for the 1 minute chart and the 5 minute chart. So that's one. Boom, check. Now, if price action comes up and hits one of these pivots and comes down, look for a gold line and to take another long, maybe, but not really. It's pretty weak. If the gold line crosses over the red, look for shorts. But this is too. That's usually on the 5 minute, I think. Oh, no, it's on the 1 minute too. So we could have took this short and got a what? 12 to 13 down to 12. That's like 7 points. But only take it down to the gold line, because when it hits this, it's a reverse. It usually resets or reverses. I think I got that right. I don't want to botch your strategy up, but if you look at this gold line, look, the red taps the gold line and boom, shot up for about 10 points. So that was a trade right there. I missed that one. Damn. 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 What am I gonna do? I gotta learn how to use NinjaTrade a little better. Otherwise, I'd be drawing a lot more on charts. That's a good or bad thing. Some people hate clutter. Like clutter. Clutter. Where's my clutter chart? There's my clutter chart. Yeah, this looks like a mess, but it's organized chaos. It is 4 time frames, as most of y'all know probably. And I just get, you know, some basic levels. To see where we're at. I gotta draw another one here right now. And then I apply that globally. That goes across all the charts. A lot of yellow. I'm not a big fan of yellow. I don't know why I got yellow. Maybe so I wake the fuck up when I'm trading. I feel like definitely not a trade term. Don't trade based on feelings, right? My trade copier. I'm using a trade copier, by the way. And yeah, Apex Trader Funding. I'm using a trade copier with them. Just trying to look for a freaking entry. Is this music getting too loud? Let's see. I feel like every time I go to enter a trade, this music's like, let's put the volume up and piss him off a little bit. I'm going back to my go-to, my blockbuster one here. I lower the volume in my goddamn headset. Like, oh, look at that. Magical, magical. All right. I need to make some trades here. What's going on? Where's my trade copier? I'm in 31. I gotta put 31 account on. Okay, I'm doing MNQ. I got 20 and 29. So 20 and 29. All right, where are we at here? Still want to make some trades or what? I still don't think it's the best. You know what? I'm looking at another thing here too, guys. If you want to, I'm gonna show you something else that I'm looking at. You're probably like, why is he going? Oh. Yeah. Apex Trader Funding has a trade group, Apex Investing Group, and they have a really great system that you incorporates order flow into their charts. So what I'm doing basically is using regular TA on TradingView and Ninja, and then instead of using like a separate order flow tool like a TAS or Quantower, I'm utilizing this system here, which I'm not gonna I'll just do it real quick here. Oh, yeah, can you see that? This is their system. It has order flow incorporated, so it has like footprints, trap sellers, buyers, clusters, high volume nodes. It has deviations and a lot of levels that are, how do you say this properly? That are forward looking, basically based on option expiries and whatnot. So it's real powerful stuff, and I'm going to be getting more into this in future videos. But it's basically what I'm using it for is trap sellers and buyers, and just trying to get that behind the scenes look. I was just going to go short, and I would have got wrecked. I would have lost. So kudos to me for not taking that bad trade. What I need to be doing is looking at, okay, the dollar's going up on the 5-minute chart. Let's see what's doing on the 15. But and the Nasdaq's going up as well. So what the hell? The correlation's totally matched. Some delirious. Yeah, matched. What in the hell? No. Listen, things are different in every time you trade. And right now, the dollar is making a lower high. Nasdaq's making a higher high. So that's that. Okay. What do we got here? Anything of interest? I don't know if you guys like the lines or it's annoying. So just go basics here. Where's the oh, I don't need it on there. This fair value gap recovery doesn't apply on the dollar. It doesn't work. Watch. It's a great indicator by disruptive developers. Not everyone's a fan of indicators, but you know what? I like them because they help give visuals. Oh, it does give you. Wow, it gives you fair value gaps on the dollar. It's pretty damn good, actually. All right, kudos to them. I don't know what's up with kudos. I don't even like that word. I'm not saying kudos. Do something, price. Do something. Yeah, I wish I had some more excitement for you guys. I just don't right now. But I tell you one thing, my coffee just kicked in. My coffee. I got a little bit of an accent. Sorry about that, but not really sorry. Eat a bag of dicks. See if anybody's in here. No, nobody's in here. Dang. Can I get a viewer, please? What do we got going on here? Can I get into a short? That'd be nice. That'd be even nicer. Actually, no, a viewer and a short. How about that? How about 5 viewers and $100 in profit? Fair enough? Fair enough. What's this price want to do right now? It looks like it wants to chop the fuck around. And that's exactly what it's doing. It is chopping around. It's chopping around. Chopping around. That is a, let's see, how we do term this in simple terms. Wow, that's even on top right there. Yes, this is a very tight. For Nasdaq, this is like super slow. Let me look at oil. Hallelujah. Why haven't I been trading oil right now? By Jesus, look at this. Look at, look. What? Oh my God. What about gold? Gold's choppy. So oil's moving though. So with that being said, I'm not trading Bitcoin right now. Let's look at Bitcoin. This is a 1 minute chart, guys, by the way. It's a crackhead chart. Alright, so I think just test it out. That's just short, why not? I just shorted into an order block. Let's see what happens. One or two things can happen, right? I'm gonna move it though. Shouldn't have moved it, but I did. It just looks like it wants to chop around a little bit right now, though, to be honest. Yeah, it's in green money flow on a market liberator right here. Sure. I'm paying more attention to my moving to stop loss, and let me just build a position. I'm trying to see what this wants to do. This is some slow ass price action. I should be trading oil right now. The slow stream. Man. Oh, there we go. Into a little bit of a. I see some green on the chart. I don't want to speak too soon. Oh, I just messed that one up. Well, it lost like $5, so okay. That was a scratch basically. Trying to force the trade, I feel like right now, and I just literally look. It hit the goal line and bounced off of it. I just said before when it hits the goal line, it's gonna go up. So this is a perfect example of not listening to your own rules and strategy. If one person learns from this, that'd be great. Yeah, I'll feel really good about just helping someone else out. I mean, what are we here for, you know? I did really good today trading, earlier today or yesterday, trading on my funded accounts. PA accounts, excuse me, my evaluation accounts. And now I'm just looking to see if I can build on that. I'm just using a new layout right now, and I'm not quite used to it. I usually have, like, on my left screen my trading view, and I have my ninja on my middle screen, and that order flow thing on my order flow in the middle screen. Yeah, I just have it totally different. Leave it at that. That makes sense. I'm missing a trading view chart. Where are we at here? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? There it is. So look at that, just pop. Yeah. And how many points is that now? So we're looking at 5 points chopping right now. Let's go down to a 15-minute. Let's build in some value. I can't find my volume profile. Let's do this one right here. Oh, what's that? Wow. Sorry about that. Volume profile. Let's just drag it right here. Oh, what we got? And where did I drag it from? Should be from Sunday. Not quite. So the range, when it broke range down here, it's at the value area high. That can be counted as level. Let's see. Oh yeah, good thing I had my stop loss, because I mean, look, that's a perfect example too. Look, I lost $5, whatever, but I mean, look how much I could have lost. Let's just do a short here. That's gonna do it, all right. There you go. Get a win online. I mean a win online. Get a win on stream. My real account. See if we could make up for some of those losses. Keep going down. Come on. Oh, it's gonna hit my trail. It's okay. Made back about, I don't know, $15. Not getting raped on commissions though. Yeah, I kind of. I made a little bit more on that one. Music just stopped. That. That drop was pretty eventful. So now I kind of missed. I mean, I made a move. I made a little bit of profit, but look at that. It went down another, after it hit this, 17, went down to like 5 points. Obviously, I'm not happy about that, but hey, it is what it is. Price action's a little wonky right now. It's got to be low VIX, low volume. We got in the VIX, 21.83. The VIX came down. That's a nice tap in the gold line. So now what? What do we think is gonna happen over here? Let's see. Should have stuck in that trade. Anyway, shoulda, coulda, woulda, and all that fun stuff. Alright, tapping some resistance here. See that blue line? Dollar's going up. Oh, it's still going up. Going back to my 10-second chart here. You guys can't see it. It's that little, this guy right here. I like it on 10-second. So now it hit the goal line. You think it's going to do it again? It's got to respect it again. Hit the goal line here too. I mean, technically, I'm supposed to take this trade up, but I'm looking at other things that are saying it's in chop mode, sideways mode right now. So a little hesitant on that. It's not analysis paralysis either. It's, oh, see, good thing I didn't take the long. Broke right through it. Okay. Dollar rocketing up definitely was a factor in that, I think. See, now we're gonna hit, if we hit 12,000, 1200, that's a serious level. That'll be respected probably. Wow, that would have been a great short. Oh, we're selling off. Wow. Okay, what's going on here? Something must have happened. News events. Some FUD. That would be a nice trade to be in right now. Alright, well, that's a level right there. You can see right here. Looking left. It's still going down now. What the dollar's rocketing right now. That whole move just got retraced. This whole move up. Right down to value, right here. The squeeze, they're getting squeezed right now. Longs getting squeezed. That was the move I needed to be in right there. That was the trade. But you know what? Proper risk management. I lost 20 bucks on 3 counts, so that's a very small percentage. 2 losing trades, 1 winning trade, and it's still going down. But this is moving too fast to even get off a trade. Kind of like made its move already, and the dollar is like moon rocketing right now. I'm gonna show you. Wow, it just went down 70 points. Well, almost 40 plus 20, 60. It is on a tear. Whoa. Do not get in front of a moving train, right? Look at this here. This is just dump-a-rolla right here. Don't try and catch a falling knife, they say. This is the example, the prime example. All right, let's see what I'm looking at. I'm looking at my trading view charts on my other screen. Let's see if there's nobody's in here. Nope. Okay. But yeah, that was a serious dump. Let's see if we catch for shits and giggles. Yeah, why not? Why not? There you go. Now I'm even on the day. Just 1 micro contract. That is nuts. That took me what? A few seconds? That was about 5 points. Nope, that was more. That was 20. That's 20 points. Yeah. From like here to there. Yeah, about 20-point move. Whew. With 1 mini contract, I went a quick 200 bucks. But honestly, I'm a little sleepy at the wheel, guys, and that's got to be news related. You know, some FUD or what time is it? 4:25. Yeah, I could pull up Twitter and look at macro, but I'm looking at too many charts. I can't do everything. I'll just show you one thing that has my eye. Check this out. Look at the dollar. Check this out. This thing rocketed, broke local support, resistance, excuse me. I'm tired. It broke, oh, and this is a high, look right here. I'm gonna draw a line. This is a recent high. Right up there, so it's probably gonna tap that. And, I mean, Nasdaq has all this value to recover. The dollar is going up, that definitely had to be a bit of a reason why. The trader in me wants to enter another trade right now. I mean, look at this whole move. Look at this. Right here. Look at that. Look at this shitty move on an hourly time frame. So basically, I drew 2 levels here. Let's just get rid of that. I drew this from Friday, actually Sunday, volume profile. And this is your point of control. Value area high is the white line. But I drew this support resistance right here based on, I think, lower time frame. Anyway, and it stuck right in there. Went up and came right back down. Now what? That's the question. Just look at a 4-hour for shits and giggles. Look at that wick, man. That is a wick and a 75-point wiki candle. Look at this wick. Yeah, Nasdaq, you got to scalp unless you're just a different type of trader than me. I think we're gonna come back up and recapture this liquidity. I don't know. Stairs up, elevator down. Stairs up, elevator down. So a small time frame. Think influence over here. Huh. I mean, now it's below the red line, right? So dollar's down again. Dollar's gonna come down. Is this gonna go up or not? We don't know. In the pocket of resistance. 12,184. Right here. Oh, I'm not even showing you guys. I'm sorry. Look, I'm on my other screen. Yeah, like right here. It's hitting this. See this price action right there? All this. I'll draw a line. Those are horizontal. So, right here's a level. Up. Line. Horizontal. Okay. Tap this here, go across. Another line. Some local levels here. Yep, we got one right there. May just chop around now. Alright, my other stuff here. Trading view. At this rate, I actually still might switch up to oil. I don't know. Oh, here, George level here. There's pen still out. Oh, continue. Anyway. How long have we been streaming for? An hour. When this goes sideways, it goes sideways. I gotta tell you that. Look at this, man. Especially at the low volume parts of the night. That's why I probably don't trade London too much. It's like makes a move, and then that's it. Even though as I'm talking, I just moved 5 points. Ay, what to do? What to do here? You know, I haven't traded enough London sessions to really have the screen time. Honestly, that's what I think is hindering me personally at this point. And I'm looking at, just so you guys don't think I'm just staring at those two charts. Ooh, I'm looking at multiple charts. There's a side by side on TradingView. 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 scalp chart. I still think it wants to come down and hit this at some point. I mean, this is getting recovered. Look at that. Where are we at here? I feel like it's gonna chop a little, chop. What else? Chart. It's the 5, 15, 30. This should 1 hour. Yeah. These will bring the arrow just down to where it is. Oh, it went down. The whole time moving charts around, it just came back down. All right. Nasdaq's now hovering around in between 12,165 and 12,180. And the market seems indecisive, and so do I. Maybe I should take it off my PA account. Let's have a little fun here, right? But it's not moving that much. So, just look at oil again on the other chart. Oil's not moving that much either. Okay. Let's see, 1 minute chart. Let's just go down to the low for time frame. I'm looking at oil on another chart. It's making a base. I want to come up. So my Nasdaq actually, but it's below the red line. So strategy says look for shorts when it's under the red line. So there's that. I mean, but you could always do reversals, right? Huh. I mean, I do see a trigger wave of a market liberator, but that's only on the 1 minute. So I just watched it. I mean, not to talk badly about myself right now, but I just watched it go down about, I don't know, 60 points, come up about 20 points, go down about 15, come up about 15, 20 points while I've been on stream. and I didn't take any real trades. You know, I took 3 real trades, excuse me, but I won 1, I lost 2. I saw I lost like $5. And on my sim account, I made 186. I'll show you guys, check it out. Look, so that's just a matter of me being out of my time zone, a little tired, and being a little hesitant, and actually having charts on different screens, and I think I'm getting used to the logistically of it. I don't know, I may move my trading view back on this screen. It's just cleaner, these charts. That's why I have this chart up here. But I don't know, I'm feeling, I don't know what I'm feeling right now. Let's see if anybody's here. I didn't have any viewers anyway tonight, so thanks for the few that popped in for a few seconds. I think I gotta plan ahead with these London streams if I'm gonna do them. Keyword if. So, okay, wait. Look for shorts from the red line. Let's do a short. Just juice it up. Let's go to my 31. Oh, look at that. Stop filled. Oh. Alright, so slightly indecisive right now, but is it choppy? Let's see what this thing wants to do. I say it's building a base, honestly. I say it's building a base. This is building a base right here. Why does that have no strategy? I don't like that. Come on there, buddy. This is honestly the slowest I've seen, besides these few moves. Nasdaq moves really freaking slow right now. I'm trying to just get a read on the market right now, and it's wonky right now. I mean, what time is it? It's 4:39 New York time. Okay, so therefore in London it's 9:39, so the market just opened, man. Come on, pump it, pump it, pump it. I just did the trade against my rules. Did the trade against my rules. However, I'm ready to close it in a heartbeat. I got a bad taste in my mouth. No. So I should be looking for shorts, right? But the market just opened. I'm looking for a movement up. I'm not getting confluence on a bunch of indicators here. Quite the contrary, actually. See, the thing with Nasdaq, it could just run up a quick 20 points. You know, that's the thing. Also run down, obviously. Dollar's going down, so I think this may have some room for a move up. Where's my entry point? Oh, not the best entry, to be honest. Would have been better at 12,180. Where are we at now? This is a live trade, by the way, guys. My actual eval account. Yeah, it looks like it wants to come down. I may have to just pull the parachute. Is cognitive dissonance where I don't want to exit my trade, or is this be given the chance, market a chance to breathe? Myself a chance to breathe. Look at that. So it's almost break even. How it toys with your minds. How it toys with your minds. Totally going sideways right now. So I'm almost a break even here on this entry. I don't have a hard stop loss in place. I'm looking for a run up, but it seems like it's respecting this level here. I think price is just a little low volume right now and a little indecisiveness. Not that many market participants right now. You know, combination of those equal, little sideways, little chop. And, you know, it's a recipe for a little kind of slow flow here. So I'm looking at the dollar verse on the chart on my right. Dollar's coming down. And Nasdaq is staying, oh, it's coming down as well. It's weird. So the dollar, Nasdaq's moving with the dollar, but this is for London session, so I don't know if that's a thing. I don't know if that's a thing, like a London thing, like an overnight thing. I don't know if the correlation is different during the day. Oof, I'm not comfortable with that, honestly. Yeah, I'm stuck in a level right here. Just 12,177. I think it's probably gonna come down, to be honest. So it's either going to draw down or just exit. Keeping in mind this is my eval account, so drawdown is a thing. It's at a level right now, and basically if it breaks this, it's gonna go down chunk. If it doesn't, it'll hold. It may just stay at this level though, so I may exit. I'm waiting to make a decision pretty soon. Pretty soon. I'm also waiting for some volume to kick in, but I don't see any of that really. Yeah, it's doing the sideways dance. Chop. We get some more buyers, push this up, that'd be nice, obviously. hourly. Just looking at that real quick. Yeah, that recovered the whole hour prior to that on the up move, or the down move. So what I see is price action is a little indecisive right now, low volume. We're at a level now, 12,180. It seems to have some weight to that. Buyers and sellers are fighting it out. Probably algos, to be honest. I'm a little bit of drawdown here. It's chopping around, as you can see. As you can see, it's chopping around. Like really chopping around here. This is like chop fest. Definitely a little choppiness going on here. I mean, it looks like it grabbed its liquidity already, but maybe it wants to take another move down. I got 4 ready to sell to keep it open with 1. This block, look at this block. It's like a 3-point block. It's trying to get up there, but it's tapping into 12,182. You know, it keeps hitting that sellers are there, man. Sellers stacked. We may go up now. Let's see. I'm looking at the order flow chart. It's not saying anything indicative of a move, but potentially we could hold this level and move up. We should be able to get 12,186, which is my entry. Kind of stinks, to be honest. But I don't want to size up on a loser. That's a rule I have. Don't size up on a loser. I mean, should I just take the loss? But this is like choppy hell right now. Let's see, it looks like on the 1 minute. Oh, we're getting a little bit of a move up. I mean, real little. It's not really. It's well, I'm looking at a different chart. You guys see the same thing. You're like, what's he talking about? I'm ready to just cut this loose. Should have cut it loose. I'm really waiting for the hourly, but I'm a little concerned I don't have a stop loss here, so it's bugging me a little bit. I don't mind marketing out. Or just managing the position if it looks like it's gonna flag up. I'm just talking out loud with this trader. What's up, man? Just doing a little short live stream on London session, and I'm doing, this is my actual valuation account. I'm just trading 3 of them, small size here, as you can see, micros. It's going sideways, it's still chop right now at the 1 minute and the 5 minute here, and technically by the rules I should be in a short. I decided to go long at 12,185. Not the best entry. Honestly, I think my entry should have been here, in hindsight. I'm waiting for his hourly to close. London is open right now. Seems like we broke the level I've been wanting to break. Okay, so I'm in a little bit of profit now. Do I take this? Or do I let it ride? You know what it's saying? You know, let your winners run, but is this a winner? Or is this just faking me out here? I don't really... This position is totally wasting my time. It's wasting my time. I could have been scalping the shit out of something else right now, or I think that was a false move up. Let's see. If it breaks this right here, it can come up nicely. Make a nice move up here, that'd be great. Let's see. I'm looking at TradingView. I'm looking at TradingView on my other screen. I got about 4 charts up. And some order flow charts on my other screen. Oh, on my far right, I got 3 screens. Not bragging, just saying 3 screens is no big deal. But I got the setup here, and it ain't helping me win. Now, I had 2 losers, 1 winner on the eval account. And I had, I think, 2 winners and 1 loser on the sim tonight during this live stream. And I'm using ATM strategy. Here I don't have the ATM, I clicked it off. So I'm just trying to manage this trade right now. What the hell is it doing? I think it wants to come up. I mean, it wants to toy around a little bit, then eventually make a little bit of a run up. Maybe grab some liquidity here on this fair value gap right here. But, you know, I'm in a little bit of drawdown, so it's tough call right now. Got a little news marker on TradingView. Usually when that happens, when a news marker happens, a little purple icon that pops up. Let's put it up there. See those purple icons right there? There. It's multi-chart, but yeah. This is a sideways day, sideways trading session. Alright, so I got 4 in there. 4 in there, ready to sell, just cut it loose. Sorry guys if this is boring and whatnot, but anyone used to actually trading knows that they say if it's boring, that's good. If it's exciting, that's bad. So I'm not liking this order flow I'm looking at right over here. This levels, they're fighting over this level right now. I can tell you that. I'm sure of that. That's one thing I'm sure of. They're fighting on the 12,180-ish level. There's a battle going on. Not a big one because there's not a lot of volume. But I should have been at this trade. As soon as it came up here, I was like $10 in profit. Just cut it as a scratch. But of course, I didn't. And here I sit, looking at multiple charts, looking for some kind of hope. It's a bad word. It's a taboo word in trading, hope. Looking for some kind of influence or indicator that's going to go up, but as of right now, I'm not getting it. And we're approaching 5 o'clock. I think some volume's going to kick in, right? 5. I don't know which way it's going to go though. That 10 o'clock London session. This right here. This is the longest I think I've sat in a trade that's been going sideways in a long time. Yeah, I don't know what that news is that came out either. If that's good or bad. Looks like it wants to go down actually. I'm gonna have to force myself to use proper risk management here. We'll just exit this, set the stop. I feel like it's gonna tap it on the 5 and then make a decision. I feel it looks like that to me. Oh, there's a deviation level right there. That's what it's holding that up, but it's getting a little too much. Yeah, now the dollar's going up. It's because it's hourly, like I said. Oh, okay, that's not. That broke down pretty disgustingly. So was that a liquidity wick or? You never know. Truly. Let me cut this one. I'm getting conflicting indicators here. Simplicity looks like it wants to go down. Simplicity is on the Apex Investing Group indicator here. Order flow. What's this thing doing? Dollar's going up on a 15-minute. But the Nasdaq's been following the dollar, so far over London over the overnight session. So we're approaching the hourly close, and I mean, for God knows it could run up. I don't know. Man, I'm at a smaller. Okay, that's the hour close. See what this thing wants to really do. I mean, I'm committed a little bit, so got this. I could just close that, lose the 40, but I could hold it, and if some volume comes in, it's still going sideways, man. Go London, pump it. Let's go. Let's go moving up. Nasdaq not being in a 5-point range. This is I don't want to put out negative energy, but this is not ideal. That's a good way to put it. This is still going sideways. And you know how that goes. It's either going to slam one way or the other, right? Hey. Size down. Am I gonna do it? Am I gonna say I'm gonna do it though? That's the thing. Oh yeah. Come on. Get some movement up. That'd be nice. Nope, not that way. Up. This is like, seriously. I expected a move. Obviously, I expected a move. Oh man. I'm like, this is when like you gotta fight that gambling urge or that YOLO, you know, if you get like emotional and whatnot, and I sense that in myself right now. So I'm trying to manage that feeling of like, all right, already, come on, and just like punch it and go for a big win, or just suck it up. Oh, what's up, man? Sorry, post. Let me just manage the trade, and I have to switch screens to read what you said, but so now I can basically get out break even, right? But I didn't. Yeah. Alright, according to what I'm looking at on order flow, it looks like it wants to at least hit this level and see what it wants to do. It did this before, I don't know, about 10 minutes ago. Okay, I mean, I could just break out even, break out. It's so quick, it's moving. It's tapping that level. Alright, so clearly 12,185 is a level that it wants to either respect or try and break through, and it's just not yet. Let's say yet to be positive, right? But oof. Crazy how fast that moves. Look at that. Well, that's 5 contracts, so 5 mini contracts. What's the dollar doing? I mean, it's topping out right now, and then Nasdaq is kind of following it. This is just slow, low volume, sideways action. Just chalk the loss up, right? Not asking you, I'm just talking to myself. This is the internal conversation. Where it gets to be like, yeah, well, it just went down to 70. Whoa, look at that. So yeah, I'm confused because the dollar's coming down and Nasdaq's come down with it. Usually it doesn't correlate like that. Not usually, but most of the time it doesn't. You know, so that's a thing. It's got me a little confused. It just looks like it wants to keep getting some value and then make a decision, up or down. I mean, obviously, but it's hard to read right now. It's hard to read. It's a little choppy right now. Like Bob Ross, happy little trees over here. Happy little trees. Do I take the L? Is it? It's not even about L. It's about risk management. You know, think of it that way. And it's out of. You know, I'm rationalizing taking a loss. This is not the way you trade. I have 10 accounts. These are 3 of the accounts, and it's like what, 15, 20 bucks. I just take this and start over. Start a new trade. Just get out of this. Once I get out of this position, it's gonna move one way or another, like a decent sized move. Maybe just force myself to Just take a hard stop right here. Post, I'll check you out in a minute. I'm just trying to really decide. I think it's because this is not my time zone. This is like the sleepy zone for me. Usually I'm in La La Land. Maybe that's why I'm trading like this and my stream is like bleh. Well, my New York stream, I'll be more caffeinated, I'll tell you that. Oof, what'd I say? It's gonna make a move. Oh, don't tell me it's making a move like that down. Like I'm not looking at one asset that I usually look at as well. And now it's fighting for 12, 180. Truly confused by the price action with the Dixie DXY. It's a little odd behavior. I'll show you. That's a 1 minute, 1 minute. That's the Nasdaq. Look at this total order block being formed here. And look at the DXY. So usually they go opposite of each other, but they're not. Yeah, that's my question right now. What in the fork is going on? What in the fork? We looked at a different time frame, maybe. What is it, 5 minute? See how odd this is behaving. This is chop fucking fast. Excuse my language. Chippity chop, 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 chop. Look at this wiki. I was just even. It's getting to be about that time. Move. Oh, there's a move up. But it's like so. It's gotta be very low liquidity. Definitely, that's one reason why. I think the algo is on definitely right now. It's like, let's chop everyone out. Back to my mark here, look. Goes to entry and does what exactly? It's gonna take a nice run up. Or we need New York to wake up. Is that what it is? I think it's just algos running. I don't think anyone's really trading right now, especially in Nasdaq. So lesson learned, next time I do a London session or an Asian session, I'm going to trade gold and oil. It seems like they move a little more. It depends one or the other. Wow, quick that just dippity doodad. Being almost even to the So in defense of Bob Anderson's strategy, when it hits the gold line and it's under the red, you should be looking for shorts. And so far, it's battling that right now. The gold line, it won't break past that damn gold line, and if it does, yeah. Let me stream a trade where I don't move and I stay in a position for like 30 minutes straight and miss out on sleep. Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. Fun. God. Welcome to the world of trading and trying to stream when you're not really adept. Is that the word? Adept at streaming. I don't want to bore you guys, so oh, okay, I got your post. Yeah. No, I know it's hard to start. Once you start, it gets flowing. That's one thing I could say. You know, even if you take a couple L's, you know. Now look at this one. So basically, I was at break even. It's been hitting this level here that it's hitting right now, but who knows if it's just gonna bounce off or just tank. I'm trying to have my hand. What I should be, if I intelligently, is have a hard stop loss just in case after the internet crash. But being a little ballsy here. Wow, I've never seen Nasdaq range like this. There's only 5 points. Even like in an Asian session or before Asian session or Australian session, this little. Like this is Mickey Mouse mode here. Seriously, come on. Like do something. Do something. Do something. And you know, this is taking my focus off of talking and looking at the assets and you know, and that's the thing when you that's stuck when you get in a trade and you don't have your ATM set. Like I had an ATM set and I took it off. And because I took off my ATM, now I'm like sitting here. Like I feel like when I used to trade crypto years ago, I would do this and just stare at the fucking chart. And guys, don't do this. This is what you don't do when you're trading, okay? I'm gonna retitle this whole this stream, if I even upload it and save it. Probably edit the shit out of it and just say to this part right here and say, this is what you don't do. See this? I stayed in this for a fucking hour and just was like negative $60 to even, and just sat here and bored everyone, and everyone unsubscribed from me and shit. Don't do this. Boom. Moral of the stream. But then I'm about to set a hard stop loss and say goodbye to this fucking trade. Like, see you later. So at least I know I won't get wrecked. Rationally what to do is just take the $15 loss, whatever it may be. Yeah, okay, that's it. Okay, so I took I'm at a $40 loss right now. Okay, so I'll show you guys. That's only one contract, so I'm not too concerned. Go check it. This is my account here. So that's a sim account, and this is my actual account. All right. Now, is it gonna go? Is it can't talk. Is it gonna now because that happened? Is it gonna like shoot up? Conspiracy theories 101? No, it's still going sideways. Of course, it's going sideways still. Fucking sideways trade from hell. Holy shit! Oh my god, it's gonna take the loss. Yeah, $43 loss. Of course, 3 accounts though. It is, you know, it adds up. It's like with commissions and shit. That's why I like. Let's see. Fuck it is. Yeah, of course I rape your life. Am I in profit? Wait, it's backwards or? Oh, it's commission, yeah. Oh, because I didn't close the trade, it's not giving me a P&L, obviously. Okay, because it's still open. There you go. I'm looking at my rhythmic. That makes sense. Shit. I may just close this up and come back for the New York stream. Watch, as soon as I close, that's gonna fuck. Something's gonna happen. Market's gonna move. Any news coming up? Yep, look. Boom. Tap my entry. It's like, oh, that's his entry, so nope, gotta tap that, and nope, can't get past it, can't get past it. Shit. Shits and giggles. Alright. It's got a lot of indications that it wants to break up, but you know how that goes. You know how that goes, right? Anyway, nothing's going tonight. It's just like, let me just put it up on the other chart I have. Oil. Okay, so oil, on the other hand, wait a second. Are you serious? I think I said this earlier. Yeah, oil has been moving. Gold has been shit. Nah, gold's been moving down a little bit. Oil's been, you know, moving around a little bit where you can get some trades in. Definitely. Different ticks. This level here seems to be the level that fucking Nasdaq just does not want to break. Oh, there we go. We break it. Let's see, is it gonna do any? Is it a fake out or not? Let's just fucking throw some size behind it. Now I have the ATM in place so you can see if it's serious about it. Yep, there we go. All right. After all that, I was like $40 down. Now I'm about $16 down. So, let's see what my commission, my trade looks like. Oh, it's still not giving me a number. Okay. My coffee's kicking in. I kind of wanna. The 12,188 level, the 12,190 level seems to be a level that it wants to break, but it needs to get some pump it up. All right, so why wouldn't I just fuck? Excuse my language, guys. Why didn't I set that? Set it right there. So I have to stress. Sell stop market. Okay. Sell stop, buy stop. I'm tired. How can I move it? Okay, word of advice, don't move your stop loss. People think when they're in a trade and they're managing it, moving a stop loss is good. It is sometimes. Most of the time it's not, you know, unless you're really good at scalping. And if you're wide awake, I'm tired, I'm good at scalping. But yeah, this is just a couple bucks I could have saved. Pushing. Now I'm gonna move it because I'm like, you know what, it's such a small amount of money at this point that fuck it. Like it's $4, seriously. If this thing wants to break up, it's gonna make a move now. It's not just gonna go sideways much longer. It's 5 o'clock. Between 5 and 7, we get some price action. I think that this is attempting to come up. It broke that level there. And some other stuff I'm looking at. Yeah, it looks like it wants to. It just has to get past the 12,180. And then we can get some movement up. But must be a lot of orders, lack of liquidity, all that mumbo jumbo shit. I mean, I can show you an order block right here. Look. See it does. It's a fair value gap. So yeah, there's that. There is that. This is divergence right here. See this? That down and this up. That is divergence. But this dollar's throwing me off. It's moving wonky. It's like real wonky. So I don't know how to read that, to be honest. I never traded the London session. I'm gonna change the title to this, my first London session, half awake, and then what's that? Stuck in a trade that moved one tick for like 2 hours straight with no stop loss. This is what you don't do. Good morning, Dr. J. So I've been doing everything you probably shouldn't do. I didn't lose any money per se, but okay. So this is Dr. J. I don't know if you're here just because you're here and you just came across, or you're here based on the Bob Anderson strategy I was talking about doing. Bob Anderson strategy or just my strategies. So anyway, I never trade the London session. I'm trading it tonight, but I'm also doing a New York live stream. I have Apex Trader Funding. I'm using a live eval account now. I'm in 3 accounts right now. I'm using Copy Trader. I totally never do what I just do. I usually use my ATM strategy, let my stop loss ride out. You know, I don't move it. I don't do what I just did. But so just to let you know, don't practice bad habits. But Nasdaq's been going sideways. It finally broke up here, probably just to grab some liquidity and go down. I mean, you know, it's counter to what most traders are thinking. So that's what I'm thinking it will do. But I'm looking also at this chart right here. This is a order flow chart by Apex itself, Apex company of Apex Investing Group. Oh, it's coming down. Yeah, look at that. Oh no. But this is really choppy price action here, and this is even choppy, you know. Yeah, just long story short, it's choppy. I really want to get the fuck out of this trade, just to some other scalps. Honestly, I'm about to cut this. I'm gonna put stop loss here. What am I doing? I want to do just, yeah, it's going down. So yeah, so I was like $5 in profit. Now I'm like $10 out of, you know, and drawdown. So stupid. And I have trading view charts on my other screen, but I'm just keeping these ninja charts up for now. I'm thirsty. What is it doing, this price? What the hell? Make up your damn mind, sonny. I already would have did on the micro time frames. A ton of trades, because this is what no, it's a 5-point range. I wouldn't have done a ton of trades. Sorry. If I have a 10-15 point range on Nasdaq, I usually use a 5-second chart or a 10-second chart like this. I draw levels and I just boom, 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 boom as they bounce off. But this has been at 12,185 and 1280. Like, look at this. Look at this. Wow. This is boring. I hope this doesn't ruin me for my day today. And now it's going to come down. It's going to tap 12,180. Unless, what is it, 5:26? So we got 30-minute closing happening. Look at this fucking candle. Look how disgusting this candle is. Look. Disgusting candle. Examples of disgusting candles. That's the Dixie on the right, and that's the Nasdaq on the left. Look. Disgusting Doji. Disgusting Doji. Hold on, I drink water. Oh my god, what is I have cognitive dissonance tonight. It's like I can't take the loss. No matter how small. Like, bro. Really? Like, look. Oh, I can't get to it. Like, bro, look. Really? Like a 30 up? Come on. Alright, like, seriously, bro? I can't take that loss right now? I mean, most of my accounts I'm above the value you need to be at. You do 25,000 or 50,000 above. These were the 3 counts I was below. I think that's what it is. These are the 3 counts I'm below. I'm like $300-400 down. Whatever, give or take. Like, no, I'm only like $70 down the other one. So $70, 200 and $350 and $400. And that's what it is. These were the counts I wanted to earn, and I lost a little. I'm a little annoyed at that. So that's factoring in. I'm just talking about emotions and how they play into trade decisions. So I have a copy trader and I trade the other accounts, and I'm not even sticking to the rules. This strategy basically says when you hit the gold line, do a short, you know, and or the red line right here, if it's below red line, do a short on a 5 minute and a 1 minute. And I didn't even do that. So giving myself a C- in this session. And that's being really fucking generous. You know? If I could throw punch myself, I would. But then I wouldn't be able to trade. I'd break my trachea, one bite. So what's confusing me is the dollar's coming down on the 1 minute, and the Nasdaq is just like bipolar, tripolar mode. Kind of like me right now. And it does not know what the fuck to do, honestly. It's trapped between buyers and sellers right now in an order block, which I'm looking at, an order flow. Yeah. Whoa, come on. Do something. What are we doing here? What are we doing here? I think I'm gonna have to change the way my charts are set up because this ninja shit's boring. You gotta have other shit to look at, right, guys? Like, you know, some other charts. So this is the same charts, but on TradingView for the Bob Anderson strategy. I'm not saying that because I'm making fun of him. I'm just saying that because I'm tired or delirious. Yeah. Boom, bang, done that. And you know what I'm gonna do? I am gonna move my fucking charts. Excuse me, language. Excuse me, language. GPT. Oh, what the fuck? GPT. Yeah, I mess around with ChatGPT. You know, just toying around with it. So let's see what we got here. Alright, so this thing's still fucking chopping in that same range. That same range. That's what I gotta say about that. I'm moving my charts the way I was trading when I was doing very well. Yesterday, whatever. Fuck day. Yesterday. None of this bullshit. Yeah. Alright, close this trade out. Yeah, because it's looking to. You know what? I don't know what because I'm not in the right. Dang. Oh my god, come on. I was just thinking so. Total chart chaos. Good thing it's like one contract. Imagine it was serious money. Alright. That pink vector is a weak one down, but we don't know. We don't know. Well, because I gotta do the New York stream, I should probably end this one soon, right? And I'm decent amount now. Now I'm feeling the pain a little because this has went into a, how many points is that? So I'm in drawdown right now, a little bit. 6 points and change. It's just stuck between this 12,180. Actually just made a profit. I'm shocked because I just went YOLO a little bit. I just bought 9 contracts. Yeah, look. See now? My commission, I'm probably losing more money on commissions than I'm making anything. Anyway. I'm gonna set a hard stop loss. The whole point, I'm moving my charts around so I could trade a little more efficiently. I'm gonna leave the trading view ones over here. And you know what, let's get rid of this. That. What was I, how was I trading? Yeah, okay, so this is a multi-time frame chart. Multi-time frame. I'm gonna keep this as one time frame now, fuck it. So look at this. Someone up, down, then sideways. Best one setting, guys, so I'm quiet, sorry. My charts. Interesting. It's breaking that level now. Yeah, red diamond here. Usually red diamonds mean a little something something. Does this mean we're finally gonna move? I don't even care that I'm losing a couple dollars. Is it just another fake the fuck out? This is brutally painful. I don't even know anyone's watching this. Is anyone watching this? Thanks for anyone that would stop by. Alright, so I got the shitty stream out of the way, and good stream will be for New York. And that's that. probably hear me clicking. Yeah. I entered a trade I don't think I should have entered, but you know what? I took a chance, and now it's going in a little bit of profit. Well, break even, I would say. To eventually move next century. Looks like decisions shall be made. Good enough. Darn. Yeah. All right. So I did a little bit of a YOLO trade, not too much, but I wound up losing 50 on the eval. I just did a long on this level, and my stop loss was really tight. I tapped it though. Shouldn't I trailed a little too tight, and now it just broke up above. You know, so go figure. And again, I just entered a long. Probably shouldn't have. But yeah, it looks like it wants to come down and crack that. Oof. Yeah, it's not a trade I should have entered, to be honest. Let's just grab liquidity. I don't know. This is interesting, to say the least. Now it's going up. Yeah, it's going up now, and yeah, well, it's going up. Now I'm a profit. All that for be broken even still. Check this out. So yeah, a little pump up right there. I did a long and caught that move up, but yeah, still where I was about an hour ago. I'm gonna cut the stream short and come back and do some nice trades for New York session. I'm gonna just clear my head a little bit, and now that I think I have the charts set up the way I want them to be set up, I'll be able to trade a little better. And I'll pull over the other chart to you guys. These charts on Ninja, I'll pull them over to you as I use them a little more. I'm not gonna keep the Ninja charts up unless we're doing like a full-blown Ninja. This is dumping now. Now it finally broke. I have one contract, one mini. Oof, look at that. See how quick this moves? That's a good and a bad thing, obviously. That's why you need to have that damn stop loss in place. Yeah. That's why you need to have that stop loss in place. So, not a fan of these charts that I have up right now. This is the one I was using. That purple vector is a quick move down. Usually it gets recovered, but This market is alien to me for London session, I guess you could say. Yeah, it looks like it's downtrending right now. And I don't mean by any large means, I just mean by interesting. Just keep it. Oh, okay. I have 14 contracts at a 12,765 25 entry. I guess it's just keeping the stream on while I'm in a trade. Oh, now it goes up after all my contracts got hit. I have one open. I'll just show you guys. So I have this open right now. So my ATM was hit. I entered here and was it there or there? There. My stop loss got hit there. That's what that is. Yeah. Okay. You know what I don't know how to do? Set a trail with the mouse. Like if I go like this for a trail, like how do you set a sell stop market? I don't know how to do a trail. I know how to do the ATM strategy from here. It's all set and whatnot, but I'm just gonna close it. Okay, so all right, so quick recap. All that just have right back where I started. I was up and down anywhere from 10-20 in profit to 60-70 in loss. And my sim count, I did wonderful. And now it's going up. I did have a really good entry down here, and my trail got hit, trailing stop. It took me out. So that's that. Watch, that runs up all day today. I'm gonna take a break, and this time I'm actually gonna step away. All right, guys. See you in a little bit.